Do you know how to get all the nutrients you need from a plant-based diet? If not, don't worry. Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based nutrition. We will use the information in this nutrition textbook to outline 5 key steps to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Step 1. Proteins. They are the primary construction materials of the body. We use dietary proteins as building blocks of proteins in our bodies. You may wonder where to find proteins in a plant-based diet. The answer? Foods like soybeans, tofu, tempeh, lentils, and beans. These foods don't add much to your saturated fat or cholesterol intake. They are high in zinc too, a mineral important for your immune defense. Step 2. Vitamins. All vitamins are important, but if you follow a plant-based diet, make sure you consume foods that contain vitamin B12 and vitamin D. Vitamin B12 is essential for energy production, but it is only found in animal foods. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health and for the absorption of calcium. These nutrients can be found in fortified foods like soy milk and fortified cereals. Step 3. Minerals. Let's talk about 2 of them, iron and calcium. Iron is vital for our blood and overall energy levels. Calcium is essential for the health of our bones. It is also involved in heart and muscle contractions. Iron can be found in foods like kidney beans, lentils, whole grain cereals, and leafy green veggies. Note that iron found in plant foods is less absorbed than iron present in animal foods. But here's 2 tips for the absorption of iron and calcium. First, do not combine these minerals in the same meal because they compete each other for absorption. Second, to boost your body's iron absorption, pair these foods with vitamin C-rich foods. Step 4. Carbohydrates. They're not the enemy. In fact, glucose is the main source of energy for your brain and the only source of energy for red blood cells. Whole grain breads, cereals, pastas are great sources of carbohydrates. Step 5. Fats. They are not the enemy either. In fact, a fat-free diet will have consequences to your weight and overall health. Common replacements for fat in many fat-free foods are refined carbohydrates, sugar, and calories. Some advices: first, stay away from trans fats and saturated fats. Second, focus on polyunsaturated fatty acids like omega-3 and 6. Avocados, olive oil, and nut butters are great sources. Whole grains, legumes, and vegetable oils are also excellent sources of unsaturated fats. Remember, variety is a spice of life, and the same goes for your diet. For more in-depth discussion on nutrients and their integral role in our bodies, subscribe and check out our other videos in this channel.